Hey folks, so here on Tuesdays I've been trying to throw out some cocktail videos that are just simple, quick ones that relate to earlier videos. So this time I'm going to try and revisit the Bentley Cocktail, which was the Dubonnet and Applejack cocktail from that time I discovered I hate Dubonnet. Now at the end of that video I thought to myself, I even said to you, maybe Ruby Port would work better for that. And I happen to have some Ruby Port. This has been sitting in my fridge for a long time, and so I'm assuming it's still going to be okay. Just going to give it a quick taste. It is a fortified wine from Portugal. It smells okay. Yeah, that seems fine. It's actually not that different than Dubonnet. It's, you know, winey, grapey, but not that artificial, gnarly taste. This is actually, delicious. So this might make a delicious Bentley cocktail. 1.5 ounces. What are you doing that for? See what I just did? I poured it into the glass. Yeah, Applejack rinse. Make sure to do that. Port instead of that Dubonnet that I find disgusting. And last time we did orange bitters, and I think we'll do that again. That seems harmless. Maybe a dash and a half. It's more ice than I need, but that's fine. Use plenty of ice. Okay. We're gonna give it a stir. Give this a lemon peel garnish? Sure, why not? Alright, let's give this a shot. Beautiful dark ruby color. They don't call it Ruby Port for nothing. I'd call that a 100% improvement. This is darker, it's richer, it's more complex. I'm gonna have another sip. It's got a nice aftertaste, a nice grapey aftertaste, not an unpleasant aftertaste. Okay, I've cracked it. If you are tempted to use Dubonnet, use Ruby Port instead. Port is delicious. This Bentley is amazing. Hey, if you like these videos, why don't you go ahead and like and subscribe. That'll help a fella out. Just like this bird says, like, subscribe.